Hello mga ka-showbiz! Welcome back to my channel. We have update with Maymay Entrata. Wow! Mapapawaw ka talaga dahil kasama si Maymay sa Mix Global teaser nila sa pagkuha ng ticket. Kasama ang ibang sikat sa Asia na singer, Southeast Asia na singer, at kasama si Maymay dyan. Si Kizzy Tandingan, si Maymay, si Moira De La Torre, at marami pang ibang piling singer, Filipino singer, at kasama nila ang mga ilang sikat na singer sa Asia, sa buong Asia at Southeast Asia. Kaya naman, congratulations Maymay. Again, congratulations Maymay. We are so proud of you. Malayo na talaga ang narating mo, but still be humble, down to earth.
Thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next video and update. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Keep watching. God bless everyone, and always remember, be yourself and be a good one.